Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see how to make Dahi Puri at home. For this recipe, I have taken papdis. We can also use puri, 1 cup yogurt. I added 4 teaspoons sugar and mixed well. We need thick curd for this recipe. 3 medium potatoes, boiled, peeled and smashed. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. 2 small tomatoes finely chopped. Finely chopped coriander leaves 2 tablespoons. Red, green and sweet chutney, half cup each. You can get the recipes for these chutneys on Shreya's cooking channel. 1 cup save. 1 teaspoon chaat masala and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. First, arrange all the papdis on a plate. Add 1 tablespoon potato on top of the papdis. Add half teaspoon finely chopped onion and half teaspoon finely chopped tomato. Add about 1.5 teaspoon sweet chutney, 1 teaspoon green chutney and 1 teaspoon red chutney, 1 tablespoon sweet curd. Sprinkle some chaat masala and red chili powder on top of the curd. Sprinkle a good amount of save and finally add coriander leaves on top of the save. This is a very tasty recipe. I'm sure you will like it. Try this and send your comments, and also subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching.